Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to register your HONOR Earbuds X6 in the application. So I already installed the application what HONOR offer for the earbuds, and firstly we need to set up this application. Open it. Firstly select your region. You can use a search or you can find your region at the list, then click next, next, hello. Okay, so firstly location, it's up to you, but I'm going to allow while using the app. You can do not allow it. Right here we need to allow to find these earbuds in the application. And the notification, if you need it, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. After that, we need to pair these earbuds with a phone, so hide the application and open settings. Go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, if you have Android, also click pair new device at the top. Then open the charging case and we need to enter pairing mode. At the back side we have touch areas on the left and right earbuds, and you need to press and hold this touch areas until this LED light starts blinking. Here we go. After that you just tap on your earbuds at the device list and you can hide the settings. Open the application and click at the plus to add your earbuds. Right here I'm going to ask app not to track, but you can allow it, it's up to you. Firstly we need to enter our account. So write email or phone or your ID and your password. And then click login. Now click obtain code and you need to write a code from your email. And then confirm. Now you can write trust, but I'm going to do not trust, and click allow. Now let's click again at the plus, and right here we have our earbuds. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!